With the Master Plan Affiliates, and today I want to show you how to use Repurpose.io. So if you've not heard of, let me just sort this focus out right. So if you've not heard of Repurpose.io, what it does, it's a really cool little AI tool that will automatically set up a system where if you post a video in one place, and I'll show you how to do it automatically, right? If you stick around just like 4 or 5 minutes on this video, but if you put a piece of content somewhere, particularly a video, okay, and then as soon as that lands, Repurpose.io picks up on that and it can send it off to multiple destinations. So I often say to people, there's a massive shortcut because if you record one video for TikTok, okay, YouTube, Facebook Reels, Instagram, Pinterest, you can then use that same, you can use that same video on all of those platforms. Repurpose.io automates the process of publishing it. So let's just share the screen. Let me just show you how Repurpose works. Great if you want to repurpose content, of course. So here's some workflows that I've got set up, and I'll show you how to do a workflow in Repurpose in a second. But so how it works is like this. So this says when a video lands on my YouTube at The Real Paul Turner, go ahead and send it to TikTok for me. And then I've set up when a video lands on my TikTok, send it to Facebook Reels for me. And what I will say with Facebook, it doesn't go to like your personal profile. It has to go to a page, which is fine, okay, because I'm not normally posting to my pages because of time and focus and effort and energy, but now it does. And then also Pinterest, I was never posting to Pinterest. Now, if you notice, these all say future, and that's the bit I mean where it's looking to see when a video lands, and then it will put it on, forward it on. So if we look at the top one, for example, right, I can view workflow here. So I'm going to go and view the workflow. Wait for it to load, of course. It's always slower whenever you're demoing it on video. I've just been on here and it was fine. There we go. So, so these are the shorts that we create. Me and Eric, my business partner, we create these, and particularly most of these, by the looks of it, have been created with Opus Clip, which I'll do a separate video on. I've already got a video on it, but if you want to see a video on Opus, just put yes in comments. So here's one. So this went, noon today. So this was what, a couple of hours ago by the looks of it. So if I click this little eyeball here, I can view on TikTok. So it's taken that YouTube short and here it is on TikTok, which is pretty sweet. Okay. I don't think I've got a lot of views yet or anything like that, but hey, they're there. Now, one thing that me and Eric want to be doing is posting a little bit more on purpose, right? We've been working out some of these automations, some of these flows, but fundamentally, let me show you how it works. So if you want to use how does Repurpose.io work for TikTok? What you do is you go workflows at the top there, and it will show you what you've got. What you do is you create new workflow. Now, when you click create new workflow, you have a choice to make, right? Couple of choices. Do I want to take existing content? So if you've already got something out there and you go, that was a great piece of content, I want to put it on other places, you just come along here, click repurpose, you select where you want it to go from. So you can use Repurpose.io for TikTok, use Repurpose.io for Instagram, for Facebook, for Google Drive, Dropbox, YouTube, Twitch, HeyGen, which is something I want to look at this week. An audio podcast, a video podcast straight from Zoom. I use Zoom all the freaking time, so this is going to be a big time saver for me. And WebEx, you know what? I don't know what WebEx is. Let's have a look at what WebEx is. What is WebEx? What is WebEx? Let's find out together. Group chat, video calling, and sharing documents with your team. Okay, so I can send something straight to that. It's like it's a bit like Discord if you know what Discord is. Okay, that's all cool. So you go ahead and you pick the input. Okay, so whenever, right? Sorry, this is existing content. So this would be if I had something on Facebook, I could go and select it and then upload it to these. The one that I think is the most useful is this, repurpose future content. Right, this is the one I love because this is all about automation and getting your time back with Repurpose. So this is what I did. You saw the workflows earlier. Whenever I get a new TikTok video, so you select that, send it to, and then you select from the same, from this list here. So it can't originate from all of these, but I can also send it to LinkedIn, to Threads, to Twitter, to Snapchat, to Blue Sky, Amazon, Dropbox, Google Drive, SoundCloud, Libsyn, and Captivate, which are podcasts. I think you can do it on SoundCloud as well. So imagine this, guys. You take a podcast that you record in one place, you can send it to Libsyn and Captivate FM as well. Your videos can go onto LinkedIn if you're active on LinkedIn. I'm not particularly. Threads, I've been reading some good stuff about selling PDFs on Threads, so I maybe want to get my Threads going. And now I don't have to do really any extra work other than set up the workflow, which takes seconds, a minute, a couple of minutes, let's say, right? Just don't want to lead anybody astray. So there you go, guys. You've seen, how to set a workflow, repurpose, and I showed you, the link that it works. It works on all of them. There's a free trial. I'll include a link in the description so you can go and check it out for yourself and take a free trial with that link and see how much of a time saver it is for you. See you on the next video. Have an awesome day.